Alright, here we are on top. We're going to look over. You can see we're about the same height as the roof. And right over here on this piece of slate here was one missing, like right here. We just cleaned it out. We shoved it in there about the right distance. And now we're going to put a hole right in here. Put a nail in there, a copper nail or aluminum. Then we're going to slide a piece of flashing over here. Normally use copper, but this roof was put on with galvanized nails, and this is a replacement, so we may use aluminum. And then a piece of aluminum flashing, which should give it many years. You can see the other roof over there at the carriage house that we did, and the lower one we repaired. Zoom in on a little bit.